Okay, ons is nog steeds by woordstrukture. Die video's is lekker kort, so dan kan jy 'n break vat tussenin. You can take a break in between all these things every 15 minutes. It's good because most people can only concentrate for 15 minutes, so it's good to take a break every now and then. Okay, woordstrukture. Again, I'm going to read it, read the wrong word first, and then we're going to change the words, and then I'm going to do a full translation of what this all means. Daar is baie mense op die strand. Almal enjoy hulle self, maar die man sit bla bla bla, sy lesenaar en werk. Die seun wil graag hê sy haar pa saam hom sandkasteel moet bou. Die pa is so besig met sy werk dat die seun 'n afspraak moet maak. Hy haar kan eers donderdag by op 9 uur saam met sy seun een bou. Die meisie bou 'n klein sandkasteel. Sy skep die veroor met haar graaf en gooi dit in die emmer. Sy hom, sandkasteel is klein, as die seunsin. Hulle twee speel tog te lekker saam, maar sometimes beklei hulle die hele dag. Daar is baie aktiwiteite wat hulle by die see kan doen, soos om bal te speel, boek te lees, skulp op te tel en krappe te jaag. Die seun se ma chat met die ouma. Sy het die heerlik beselhappies vir die dag ingepak. Almal gaan vanmiddag lekker eet. Die pa sal honger wees, maar die seun sal honger as almal wees. Alright, let's do this. 3.1 Enjoy. Vertaal na Afrikaans. Enjoy is geniet. Almal geniet hulle self. 3.2 Vul die korrekte voorsetsel in. Okay, let's look at the sentence. Maar die man sit sy lesenaar. Hy sit by sy lesenaar. Of jy kan sê voor sy lesenaar. Because it's in front of at, which is by. Lesenaar, hoe spel mens lesenaar? Met 2 s'e en 2 a's. So, lesenaar. If you clap that, lesenaar, you'll see that it has 2 s'e. En werk. Die seun, gee die verkleinwoord van seun. Seentjie, right? Wil graag hê, 3.5. Wil graag hê, die seun wil graag hê. So is dit 'n sy, 'n hy of 'n haar. Is technically 'n hy, maar in Afrikaans sal ons sê die seun wil graag hê dat sy pa. So that's pretty confusing because sy is usually female, but in this context we will use it for the he as well. Sy pa saam met hom sandkasteel, 3.6, gee die meervoud van sandkasteel. Sandkastele, sandkastele moet bou. So, sandkastele, if you put it in, if you break it up. Die pa is so besig met sy werk, dat die seun 'n afspraak moet maak. Hy, haar, kan eers donderdag. So, we're talking about the dad here. Is it 'n sy, 'n hy of 'n haar? Dit is 'n hy. Kan eers donderdag 3.8 9 uur. Ons sal sê om 9 uur. Dit is soos 'n at 9 is ook om. You won't say on 9 o'clock, and you won't say by 9 o'clock. You'll say on 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. So 9 uur, 3.9, skryf uit die woord 9 uur, and that is how we will write it, 9 uur. This again, I'm not sure how your teacher wants you to write this. Is it like this? Or would you say 900? Not sure. Sal jy sê 900 uur of sal jy sê 9 uur? Because it's AM. Not sure. Just check your notes on this one. Saam met sy seun eenbou. Die meisie bou 'n klein 3.10. Die gee die verkleinwoord van sandkasteel. Sandkasteeltjie. Alright. Sy skep die sand 3.11. Haar graaf. So we would say sy skep die sand. Sy skep die sand with. So if you translate that, it's 4. No, you won't say sy skep die sand for. She won't say sy skep die sand over. Jy sal sê with is met. So sy skep die sand met haar graaf 3.12. Gee die verkleinwoord van graaf is grafie. So sy skep die sand met haar grafie en gooi dit in die emmer. 3.13 is dit haar, sy of hom? Hier praat ons nog steeds van die meisie. So is dit 'n haar, 'n sy of 'n hom? So we see that it is a betreklike voornaamwoord because it's her sandcastle. So we won't say she sandcastle, and we say his sandcastle. We will say hom is like his, basically. So we say her sandcastle. So haar sandkasteel is klein. Gee die vergrotende trap van klein. Now this is confusing because you won't go bigger for klein, but it will be the vergrotende trap, which is the one, so kleiner, as die seunsin. Hulle twee speel tog te lekker saam, maar sometimes, vertaal in Afrikaans, sê mens somtyds. So spel mens dit, somtyds, beklei hulle die hele dag. Daar is baie aktiwiteite wat hulle by die see kan doen, soos om bal te speel, boek te lees en skulp. Die meervoud van skulp is skulpe. Skulpe. Op te tel en krappe. Gee die verkleinwoord van krappe is krappies. Krappies so, te jaag. Die seun se ma, chat, 3.18, vertel, chat in Afrikaans is gesels. Or you can say praat. Yeah, I think either one would be right. Gesels of praat met die ouma. Sy het heerlik, gee die oortreffende trap van heerlik. It's just one more. So, oor die oortreffende trap. So, oortreffende trap is two more. It's over the most it can be. Oor is over. So, over exaggerated. So, heerlikste. It's the ste ones. Heerlikste beselhappies vir die dag ingepak. Almal gaan vanmiddag lekker eet. Die pa sal honger wees, maar die seun sal honger gee die vergrotende trap. Vergrotend is just one more. So, hongerder as almal wees. Okay, quick translation. This one is taking very long. Daar is baie mense, there are a lot of people on the beach. Everybody enjoys themselves, but the man sits in front of his desk and works. The boy really wants that his father with him sandcastles must build. The father is so busy with his work that the boy must make an appointment. Appointment is afspraak. He can only Thursday on at 9 o'clock with his son one build. can only build one at 9 o'clock. The girl built a small sandcastle. She, what's the word? Scoops the sand with her spade and throws it on in her. I write all these English words. It's too early in the morning for Afrikaans, for English for me. Throws it in her. What is this word? Emmer is could say bucket. Her sandcastle is small, very small if you put that word in, smaller than this boy's sin, boys, afkapping says. They, the two of them, basically, they love playing with each other, but sometimes they fight the whole day. There are many activities at the beach, like to play ball, they can read books, they can pick up shells, and they can chase crabs. Jag is chase. The boy's mother chats with the grandmother. She, probably the granny, packed in a amazing picnic. Well, beselhappies would directly translate to peckish bites. Yeah, that's exactly. For the day, in packed. That is what it is. Everybody will this afternoon lekker eat. The father will hungry be, but the boy will more hungry. The most hungry of everybody be. Okay. Let's end this video here, and then for the next video we will go on with Stompy.